In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize Forex session indicators in TradingView on iPhone. First, open the TradingView app on your iPhone. Make sure you're logged into your account so your settings and chart layouts are saved. Then open the chart for the currency pair you want to analyze. For example, you might load EURUSD or GBP/JPY, anything you're actively watching. Pinch to zoom and set the time frame you prefer so the sessions are easy to see once we add them. Next, look at the bottom menu and tap the three-dot icon. From there, select Indicators. This will open TradingView's indicator library. In the search bar at the top, type Sessions. You'll see a list of options, including entries from the public library. Choose a session indicator from the public library by a trusted author. Look for clear descriptions and solid user feedback to make sure you're picking a reliable script. The built-in or popular community versions are designed to highlight different Forex trading sessions on your chart. Once you've selected it, go back to your Forex chart. You should see the indicator name appear on the chart overlay. If you don't see any color blocks yet, don't worry. We're about to configure it. Tap the small drop-down arrow just beneath the asset name at the top of the chart. This expands the list of active indicators so you can manage their settings easily. Now tap the gear icon next to the session indicator's name. This opens the customization panel. Here, adjust session times to match your preferred market hours, taking into account your TradingView time zone. Many traders align these to standard Tokyo, London, and New York hours, but your local offset may differ, so double-check the time zone in your app settings if the sessions look shifted. You can also tailor colors to make each session stand out. Choose distinct hues for quick visual recognition, and tweak styles like opacity or borders to keep the chart readable. Keep contrast in mind so your candles remain visible beneath the session highlights. After you apply your changes, return to the chart. You'll now see the Forex trading sessions, such as Tokyo, London, and New York, highlighted across your timeline. Use these blocks to spot overlaps like London, New York, where liquidity and volatility typically increase. If the chart looks too busy, fine-tune the colors or opacity for a cleaner view. That's it. With the session indicator set up and customized, you'll have a clear, time-based context for your Forex analysis right on your iPhone.